How to forget a Bluetooth device on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can forget a Bluetooth device on iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right in. So if you want to forget a Bluetooth device on your iPhone, what you'll first have to do is head over to your settings. You can either go to your settings and then go to the Bluetooth option right here. Tap on Bluetooth, and there we go. Or what you can also do is swipe down from the top right. There you should find your connections. And there you'll find Bluetooth. Long press on it and you should see Bluetooth settings. Tap on Bluetooth settings and you'll be prompted right back here. Now, to forget a Bluetooth device, you'll need to first find the device. So if you see right under here called My Devices, you'll find all the devices that you are connected to or you were connected to previously. So you have paired your device with that very Bluetooth device once already. So if you now want to forget it, all you have to do is press on it. So let's say that I want to simply forget this empty. I'll press on the I right here. And after I press on the I option there, tap on forget this device. Confirm it by pressing on forget device. And the device has now been forgotten. And that's how you forget a Bluetooth device on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is basically it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below, and thanks for watching. That's it for today.